Sige na, Sophie. Sophie, no.
The remote. It does hit the whole thing, but actually, I better make sure she's asleep. Is that you asleep? Your Majesty. Now, if you want something to go.
Ayun na, Christopher, look. Tignan mo. Ayun na, ayun na. Ayun na, Christopher, ayun na. Daddy, baba mo lang.
Dito, dadan tayo, dadan.
Ayun na, Christopher, ayun na. Ayun na, Christopher, oh.
Ay, look! What's that?
O, sige na, pupunta siya. O, ayun na, Christopher. Ayun na, Christopher, come on. Ayun na, Christopher, come on.
Got it? Okay, good. Now, if you could just hit the play button.
Ayan, ayan.
And I'm sure if she was right now, she'd say, whatever you do, don't hit Huh? Who said that? Huh?
Meron pa ba, Sophie?
Did you have a party?
Meron pa ulit balloons?
Yes. But I didn't press the password button.
What's that? Christopher, ano yun? Ano yun?
Let's
Balloon!
look at our picture. Can I see the picture photo? What's weird?
No, tapos na ate.
Can I see?
Tapos na yun eh.
Can I see?